Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So before we get started, I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor, so do always make your own decisions when doing any investments. Now in this video, I'm going to do a price prediction on spot price, and I'm going to do it in UK pounds, and I will put the translation to dollars on the screen also. I wanted to do this video just for a bit of fun really, just to kind of see how wrong or how right I am. Now, my price prediction for silver spot price is that it will finish this year on £17.50 per ounce of silver. So that is a little bit of a drop from where we're currently sitting. And I think the reason for that drop will be everyone is tightening up their spending. We're coming up to Christmas. There's a cost of living crisis. Inflation is still on the rise. The Fed are raising rates left, right, and centre. So I think a lot of people will be selling rather than buying because they want to free up some funds. Like I said, this is just my opinion. This is just kind of a video to put it out there to start a bit of a discussion and just kind of see how wrong or right I am. So based on all the above that I just mentioned, I think that at the end of this year, the spot price for silver per ounce will be £17.50. Now, I think the end of next year, we will see £19.50 per ounce. So like I said, I think a little bit of a dip towards the end of this year. And then I think as the year goes on, 2023 goes on, I feel like we'll have some ups and downs along the way, but I feel like we'll finish around about £19.50 per ounce. So let me know below in the comment section below, just for a bit of fun really, your price predictions. Like I said, this is all for a bit of fun. I'm a long-term silver stacker, a long-term silver investor. So for me, the short term, as in 2 to 3 years, doesn't really phase me. I'm looking to hold my stack for minimum 30 years, and I'll be buying all the way through, dollar cost averaging. So the little dips, the little rises won't really affect me because I'm going to be holding silver for such a long time. In the long run, I'm going to be up. So like I said, that's my opinion. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.